or some fine vintage Shelley bone china or porcelain in the wildflowers pattern. We've got the pattern reference number that was used on a couple of these pieces. The actual teacups don't have that decorator's mark or pattern number, but it's in the website listing. Beautiful bluebells, harebells, wildflower bouquets, really. Twin wall, so front and rear on the inner wall of the teacup. Beautiful decorations on the outside. Just look at that classic Shelley shape with the deep empty, or hollow should I say, not empty, pedestal foot going right the way up to the base. Wildflowers, Shelley. They've even managed to squeeze the full Shelley shield mark on this, and 13686 decorator's mark on this one, but it's not on every single teacup, but that's how we get the pattern reference. Indent rims, little rolling scroll, green and pink decorations, just really pretty. Let me bring that into close relief so you can get a look at it. Try and get a focus on it. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. And the inner walls, just look at that decoration. Fine detailing. Beautiful drawn loop handle, this elevating just above the level of the teacup. These are 2.5 inch. I think they're just over 4 inches in the diameter. Slightly flaring at the rims, as you can see. Really pretty. Fine bone china, translucent, sitting on these gorgeous little decorated saucers. Just look at that. Fine transfer design. 2 large blocks and a smaller little block at the uppermost area, with that scroll rolling around, and irregular indents and scalloped rims with gilt, which is in really fine condition. And the 6-inch side plate, again wonderfully decorated. Isn't that pretty? It's 1940s, 1950s is the date range on these Shelley pieces. Really difficult to find in fine condition, and these are in absolutely immaculate. I don't think they've been used at all. Look at that plate surface. You can still see the outline shrinkage on the transfer, but not a knife mark in sight on that. These have obviously been loved, displayed, but not had a hard life at all, and that gives you the opportunity to purchase them now, 70-80 years later, in absolutely factory mint condition. Beautiful sets. One of the nicest Shelley designs and decorated trios I've listed recently. I absolutely are a big fan of this china. It's as good, and quality wise on both the moulding, the transfer, decoration, the gilding, everything about it is absolutely top rank. Absolutely fine examples of English mid-century Shelley bone china. Link below will take you through to the website description with all the listings, pattern reference number, pricings and availability. I think there's 6 trios and also a milk jug, sugar basin and a beautiful square cake plate, which is absolutely outstanding. Looking forward to listing that next. Thanks for watching.